It's time. It's time to say goodbye to that place. To that really good place. Why? Because after 3 months of holiday, the school starts. The school starts. After 3 months of holiday, the school starts. The school starts. The homework starts. The teacher starts. All starts. And the holiday is over. The holiday is over. That place, we have to say goodbye. So guys, let's say together a goodbye to the holidays. Let's say together a goodbye to the holidays.